Okay guys, so let's make some roasted veggies. Okay, so I have my baking sheet here, I have my parchment paper. I'm just going to put some olive oil at the bottom here. This is some extra virgin olive oil. Okay, here I have some bell peppers. I have my oven preheating at 230 degrees Celsius, which I think is about 450 Fahrenheit. So we have some bell peppers. I have some Broccoflower here. Okay. I have some carrot. I have some green squash. I have some seasoning peppers. Okay, and I'm also going to add some garlic as well. All right, so we have our garlic. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put a little more olive oil on the top. And we're going to mix everything together. Okay. I'm going to add some sea salt. I'm going to add some Mrs. Dash garlic and herb seasoning blend. Okay, so we just want to get in here and toss everything together. All right, so let's go ahead and put this in the oven.